Hello and welcome to another PHP programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we will going to learn how you can create classes in PHP. In order to create a class in a PHP, all you need to do is type the word class followed by the name of the class. The class is an opening and closing curly braces. Inside the class, you write the methods that you want the class to work on. This is a very simple class. In order to write a method in the PHP classes, you do not typically follow the approach of a getter or a setter that you would generally do in other programming languages. You do not have a return type either. You simply write public if you want them to be accessible from outside, followed by the word function, followed by the name of the method in the class. The parentheses are used to pass parameters. In this one, I do not have any parameters associated with any of these functions. Both of these functions are inside the opening and closing curly braces of the class books, so they belong to the books class. So I have these two functions. Now down on line number 14, I'm creating an instance by calling the books constructor. You do not have to code a constructor. If you don't code one, then PHP writes one for you, just like it does in Java. So here we have an instance equals to new and the constructor of the class. Then in order to call a method from the class by using the instance of the class, unlike Java or C#, you do not use a period, because period is a concatenation operator in PHP. So what we do is we use this operator, which is the arrow operator, which is the object reference operator. So between the instance name and the method name of the class, provided the method name is public, you can call the instance, arrow operator, and the method. And this is how, when we run this particular PHP page, we get two outputs on the screen. First we call book name, which echoes PHP programming. Then we call price, which echoes 78.7.55. Since none of the two echoes are separated by a BR, so both things come on the same line, and you can't even tell it's coming from two separate functions. But this is how you can write a very simple class in PHP with a couple of methods, and they're being called by the instance of the class. In the next tutorial, we're going to cover a little bit more about object-oriented programming in PHP. Thanks for watching.